I want to make a point about the ongoing CPL this evening. I want to tell the organizers of the league to check themselves and look at the pricing of the tickets. The ticket prices have been obviously too high, and it's been negatively affecting the crowds and negatively affecting the atmosphere at the grounds, and obviously affecting the overall CPL product. I was at Sabina for the last Jamaica Talawas game, and by my estimation, Sabina Park was just about half full. And my information is that for the big games between the Jamaica Talawas and the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots, and of course the Trinbago Knight Riders, Sabina Park was half full, half empty as well. And this is not a Jamaican thing. Watching the semi-final round going on in Trinidad, the first game involved the home team, and the ground was again half empty. The ticket prices for Jamaica for the CPL have gone up approximately 400%, from $500 in 2013 to $2,500 in 2017. Not to mention that the economy is still tight, and the CPL dropped right in at the back-to-school time of the year. And to support my point even more, look at the CPL crowds back in 2013 and compare them to what's been happening this year. Sabina Park and all the other grounds in the region were bursting at the seams in that first season. This year, even after them dropped the price, is pure half-empty stadium. In the CPL, we have a great thing going, but we need to check it before we wreck it. Because we say wreck it.